positive and negative rational numbers. Let's break this down. We're going to go through the answer choices and just kind of eliminate the choices that we know are incorrect. So greatest to least value is what we're looking for. So we have positive and negative numbers in this problem. So that means if we're going greatest to least, that our positive numbers must come first. So let's just take our answer choices and let's highlight all of our positive numbers. And we know now that our positive numbers have to come first, and that can kind of clean up our problem a little bit and eliminate some of our answer choices. If you look at what we've done so far, the positives have to come first. So B and D are our only possibilities. They're in the same format, so they have 7 greater than 38 over 6. But A and C have a negative number at the beginning, so those will be eliminated. So now we have to move to our first negative number. So they are different, so we're going to look at this and see what's going on. We've got negative 19 halves and negative 1.2. So our question is, which of those is closest to 0? Because the negative side of the number system is reflective of the positive, we want to see which one is closest to positive as we're going from greatest to least. Now, negative 19 halves is 8.5, and negative 1.2 is obviously negative 1.2. Negative 1.2 is way closer to 0, so that would make D our final answer.